Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a versatile piece of kitchen gear that promises to change the way you cook, whether you are in a small apartment, a dorm room, or simply need an extra burner for those holiday dinners. This is the GIHETKUT 2-burner electric cooktop. When you are tight on space, you need appliances that pull their weight. This unit features two independent heating zones that offer a combined power output designed to handle two dishes at once without blowing a circuit. One of the biggest selling points here is that it runs on a standard 110 to 120 volt outlet. This means you do not need to hire an electrician to install heavy-duty wiring. You simply plug it into a standard wall outlet and you are ready to start cooking. Let us talk about build quality. The surface is made of sleek black ceramic glass. It looks modern, it is scratch-resistant, and it is very easy to wipe down after a messy fry-up. The design is rounded at the edges, which is a nice touch for safety, and it offers you the flexibility to either use it as a portable countertop unit or have it built directly into your kitchen cabinetry. Functionality is where this unit really shines. You get 10 power levels and 10 temperature settings. This level of granular control is impressive for a compact stove. Whether you need to gently simmer a sauce or get a high-heat sear on a steak, the interface allows you to dial in exactly what you need. It uses a combination of touch sensors and knob controls, which feels much more intuitive than hunting through digital menus for every little adjustment. Safety is always a concern with electric cooking, and this model has you covered. It includes overheat protection and an automatic shut-off feature. For parents, the child safety lock is an essential addition that prevents accidental activation. There is also a timer that goes from 1 to 99 minutes, which is perfect for slow cooking or steaming without having to stand over the stove. The standout feature for me is the cookware compatibility. Unlike induction cooktops that require specific magnetic materials, this electric burner works with almost any flat-bottomed pan. You can use your iron, aluminum, ceramic, stainless steel, or even heat-resistant glass cookware. If it can handle heat, it can likely work on this surface. Now, let us discuss the pros and cons. The biggest pro is the sheer versatility and ease of installation. It is a true plug-and-play solution for anyone who needs a reliable secondary heat source. It is compact, stylish, and the temperature control is remarkably precise for this price point. On the downside, because it operates on standard household voltage, it does not have the instant lightning speed of high-end industrial induction ranges. It takes a moment to reach peak temperature, which is normal for this class of appliance. Additionally, because it uses a glass surface, you will want to avoid dragging heavy cast iron pans across it to keep that finish looking brand new. Overall, the GIHETKUT electric cooktop is a fantastic utility player for any kitchen. It provides high performance in a small footprint and the flexibility to cook whatever you want in whatever pan you already own. If you are looking to upgrade your cooking capacity without a major renovation, this is a solid choice. Link in the description.